Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an American Express credit card. This guide will walk you through the process of applying for, activating, and using your American Express credit card. First, let's start with the application process. To apply for an American Express credit card, you can visit the American Express website, call their customer service number, or apply in person at a bank that offers American Express cards. You will need to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, income, and credit history. Once you have applied and been approved for an American Express credit card, you will receive your card in the mail. To activate your card, you can call the customer service number on the back of the card. Visit the American Express website, or use the American Express mobile app. You will need to provide your card details and verify your identity to complete the activation process. Now that your card is activated, let's talk about how to use it. You can use your American Express credit card to make purchases online, in store, or over the phone. Simply provide your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, to complete the transaction. It's also important to understand the benefits and rewards associated with your American Express credit card. Many American Express cards offer rewards programs, such as cashback, points, or travel miles, which can be redeemed for statement credits, gift cards, or other rewards. You can also take advantage of benefits like purchase protection, return protection, and travel insurance. To make the most of your American Express credit card, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions of your card, including the interest rate, annual fee, and payment due date. You can find this information on your card agreement or by contacting American Express customer service. Best practices for using an American Express credit card include paying your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, keeping track of your spending to stay within your budget, and monitoring your account for any suspicious activity. In conclusion, using an American Express credit card is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the application, activation, and usage process. By following these steps and understanding the benefits and terms of your card, you can make the most of your American Express credit card and enjoy the rewards and benefits that come with it.